Onge mago mag kikos kanya kwa Ramogi kama counties mapacho kae ojiwo mondo ket tenge omenda mag loso paw tuke eneo jopiny yudo kuonde mag nyalo nyiso talanta magi.
Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja wacho ni mano kende e yo ma piny Kenya biro bedo gode rang'iny mamalo e yore mag tuke ahinya to tugo mar adhula.
Magi nowacho seche mane tuke ma oriwo counties mong'ere ni kikos ka norumo Kisumu e lap mambo leo.
Gavana ma Kisumu Anyang' Nyong'o to opuoyo okang' ma kaunti ma Kisumu osekawo momiyo gin kod thuolo mar rwako welo buora kaka mane ochopo e tukego ma okawo ndalo 6.
Naona waziri wa michezo pia gavana wake. Asante. City ninaomba uweze asante wachezaji naomba City ninaomba uweze asante wachezaji naomba.
Just to affirm and to thank you for being such a great host, to thank the lovely people of Kisumu County for such, good hospitality, and I hope one of these days we will be able to also host you and to reciprocate your kindness and your generosity. To my colleague governors across the country, sports is indeed a uniting factor in a great economic frontier that we must support as our counties. And very soon, Your Excellency, I'll be inviting you to open new stadia in Nairobi. We intend to refurbish and to completely restore the historic City Stadium, which is now the Joe Kadenge Stadium, to be better than this one here that we are in today.
But beyond speaking, beyond the trophies, we're all winners because we all came, displayed our best and exhibited our talents. This is now time to return to the drawing board and start focusing on preparations for the 10th edition of our